Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to USDC video update. Now I just want to talk about this sideways movement of what Luna Classic is doing right now. I think on a daily time frame we are sort of making some accumulation right now. So if you go up like this and then come down again within this area or this zone right here, so if I draw this box just like that and you stay in here, it seems like you're having this big accumulation right now. So if you potentially try to drop down again from here and then try in the future to bounce off here and then come down again, I think you're gonna have an amazing investing opportunity when it really breaks to the upside and back test, and you can look for a very big move once again, just a gigantic move like we saw right over there. Okay, the very same gigantic move we can probably see repeating right over here as well in the future. So if you're looking for that huge accumulation, which I'm expecting it to be, then that's a very, very good thing, to be honest. I mean, if it ever comes down here again to 26, that would be another buying opportunity in my opinion, and nothing else, until it doesn't really reach to the next technical targets and whatnot. So let's see if Luna Classic is on the verge of making accumulation. My best logically explanation, what I'm looking at the chart is that USDC is taking some time, and overall it's in a good health, it's in a good shape, and I do expect this one to be a longer accumulation, and we potentially could be dropping down unless we don't really break out of it. I told you in the past videos as well, you want to break out of that resistance, backtest the resistance, and your next technical target is going to be at 0.14. So 14 cents is where you're going to go up to, at least if you anytime soon you try to break out of that resistance. But if now you do come down here, I don't think it's bad. I kind of like it actually. Okay, you see, crypto is volatile, and this volatile is your best friend. Many people find it to be an enemy, but by time you're going to understand that volatility in crypto is actually your best friend, because you get things at a cheaper discount than anyone else, and you have to think like a person who really needs cheap discounts as well to get better entry position. Anyone who knows how to trade is going to agree with what I'm saying right now. Maybe the newbies are going to find this like, hey, what are you talking about? Why dump? Why dump? Yeah, we need dumps because we want to buy low and sell high. Okay, so the thing is that if you do come down here again, go back up, you come down again, go back up like this, then my friend, you're putting in a huge accumulation phase. And before going up, I think they're gonna actually make some drops down and then boom, make a big liquidation and then move up to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this USDC update. Just a quick one, because I think it's important to talk about maybe a potential scenario of an accumulation at the moment, which is expected after dropping badly like this. Why would you even want to go down in the first place after dropping down from $1? It doesn't really make sense. All it makes sense now is for accumulation to happen and go back to $1 somewhere down the road in the future. And that's pretty much it for the update on USDC. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.